Good day to all my employers in Hong Kong. I'd like to introduce myself to you. My name is Ivy Jane Garcilian Morales, 26 years old, single, and currently live here in Pinokpok, Kalinga, Philippines. I have one brother and two sisters, and I am the third child of the family. I have finished my college degree of Bachelor of Public Administration at Kalinga State University. During my college days, I worked as a working student at Golden Fields Hotel as cook. My main duties there is cook Filipino food, different pizzas, and different pastas, cleaning before closing. After my graduation, I worked as a nanny for 2 years, serving one couple and a 2 years old baby boy. My main duties there are cooking, bathing the baby, laundry, and cleaning, and keeping the baby safe and clean. Mom and sir, I am patient, kind, and responsible. I love baby and treat them with care and respect. I can follow rules, manage my time. I am always willing to learn and improve. To my future employer, please choose me because I am honest and trustworthy. I am also willing to take care of newborn baby and toddlers and willing to share work with another helper. I will respect your family, culture, and household rules. Thank you, Mom and Sir. I hope to work with your family soon.